In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Canva email signature to Gmail. Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add a Canva email signature to Gmail. If you've already designed your signature in Canva, you're in great shape. If not, make sure your design is clean, readable, and sized appropriately so it looks sharp but not oversized in emails. A width around 600 to 700 pixels typically works well, and keeping the file lightweight helps your emails load quickly. Start by opening your email signature design in Canva. Once it's on your screen, click the Share button in the upper right, then select Download. In the File Type menu, choose PNG. PNG is ideal because it preserves crisp text and logos, and it supports transparent backgrounds if your design needs it. If you see an option for size, avoid exporting at an extremely large scale. Oversized images can appear blurry or be scaled down in Gmail. Give your design a quick once-over to ensure everything looks centered and clear, then download the PNG to a place you can easily find on your computer. Next, open Gmail in your browser. Click the Settings icon, which looks like a gear in the top right, and choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. From here, scroll down until you reach the Signature section. Click Create New and give your signature a name. Pick something simple and descriptive like Main Signature so you can identify it later if you create additional versions. With your signature slot created, click the image icon in the signature editor. Upload the Canva PNG you just downloaded from your computer. Once it appears in the editor, take a moment to check alignment and spacing. If the image looks too large or too small, click it and use the built-in size options to adjust. Aim for a size that's easy to read, but not overwhelming. Think professional and balanced. When you're happy with how it looks, scroll all the way down and click Save Changes. This step is essential. Your signature won't be applied until you save. After saving, your new signature will be available when you compose emails, and you can come back to the signature section anytime to tweak the image size or replace the file if you update your design in Canva. And that's how you add a Canva email signature to Gmail. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.